Hola chicos, buenos días. ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo estáis? Please don't worry, today we're not going to add any more grammar connected with the verbs, but so you will have some time to assimilate the information that you already have, and this is something good. But we're going to add something connected with the pronouns. In our course, you have already met the verbs such as me llamo, te llamas, se llama, me despierto, te despiertas, se despierta. And you asked me, and Tatiana, what is me te se? So, in Spanish, we have some verbs which are called verbos reflexivos, the reflexive verbs. These are the verbs which you do, and the action returns to you. Yes, they reflect the action. For example, I call myself Tatiana, me llamo Tatiana. You wake up, but you wake up yourself, right? Because you don't wake up other person, you wake up yourself. Te despiertas. So you do the action and it returns to you. I wash my hair, me lavo el pelo, because I wash my hair, not somebody else, right? So, these verbs are called verbos reflexivos. Let's look at the chart that I share with you. And in the title, on the gray background, you see the verb levantarse, to wake up. When it is a noun, when it is, for example, when you look for a word in the dictionary, we write it like this. This particle goes at the end. It means that this is an infinitive. But when we conjugate it, when this is a personal form, yo, tú, él, we know exactly who, this particle will go before the verb and it will take the form of the person. It will not be se always, okay? Se, this is the infinitive. Sorry. This is the infinitive, but when we conjugate and we find some particular person, we will put me, te, se, nos, os, se. Let's have a look. How to say I wake up? I will say me levanto. You te levantas. Él se levanta. Luego, then, later. Nos levantamos, os levantáis y se levantan. You see that when I conjugate the verb, I put these particles before it, right? So, and I change it. It's not always se. Se, it was in the infinitive. Here, we change it according to the meaning, according to the what we need to say, okay? So, why I wanted to introduce this rule right now, because we have already met some of these verbs and we're going to meet more and more. And the second thing, it's not the verbal stuff, so that's why you will have time to assimilate the information from the previous lessons, from the regular verbs especially, and then later just we will add the thing which is not connected, which will not bother you. Also, I would like to tell you one interesting thing, is that one and the same verb can be both reflexivo y no reflexivo. For example, if I want to say that, let's take the verb lavar. When I say that I wash my hair, I say me lavo el pelo. But if I want to say that I wash my car, I will say lavo mi coche. You see that one and the same verb can be both reflexive and no. And you will see a lot of examples, and we will do some exercise to see the difference between them.